Alright, so hey there Cajon drummers, welcome to another Cajon lesson, and for this one I've got mostly beginners in mind. So if you've started out playing Cajon and you're thinking like, what is this guy talking about when he says an 8th note groove, or what is a 16th note groove, what is all this stuff? So we're going to try and cover all of that right at the front side of this video, and then we're going to move into some musical examples. And so if you've been playing Cajon for a little while, I want to try and answer for you some questions about when should I use this groove, why should I use that groove, basically between 8th notes and 16th notes of the most simple, basic, but good Cajon groove. So we're going to start off with the really fundamental stuff, which is just counting music. I know it might seem like, oh, it's too basic or something like that, but it really is the key to everything that we do. So we're gonna start off by setting a tempo, right? How fast are we gonna play? And 60 beats per minute, that's a great one to start at. So for reference, 60 BPM, 60 beats per minute, that is the speed of the clock that's somewhere in your house right now, keeping time. So 60 beats per minute is gonna sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, easy. But next, we need to start learning about subdividing, or subdivision. But really, it's a long word for breaking up into smaller pieces. That's all it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They are quarter notes of our bar of music. And then next, we're going to do 8th notes. So each of those is going to be broken into 2 pieces, and we're not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just going to break it up so that the 1, 2, 3, 4 stay in the same place. So we'll get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and let's have a listen. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and from there we can launch into our first groove. Let me just play it for you, and then after that we'll do some musical examples. It's going to be a bit of fun, but here we go. And 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, so if this isn't your very first Cajon lesson, then there's a great chance that you've played that exact groove before. And that's perfect because it's probably one of the most important grooves that you'll ever learn in popular music. But how does that then relate to 16th notes, right? We've got 8th notes down, so if someone says to you, hey, can you give me an 8th note groove? You can do that. But 16th notes is just a further subdivision, right? So each of those notes, we're going to subdivide one more time, and we'll get this. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... So hopefully now we have a great understanding of what are eighth notes, what are 16th notes, but then beyond that, just how different the music can feel, even at the same tempo, if we change the subdivision. We've been at 60 beats per minute this whole time, 60 BPM, but changing the subdivision, suddenly we've got twice as many little notes filling in and everything feels quite different. Anyway, I'm just excited to share some more of these musical examples with you that, please, if you'd like to play along with, go ahead and do so. So next up, we're going to go to 80 beats per minute. Once again, showing you how the different 8th note and 16th note grooves feel against the one piece of music. Next track is at 100 BPM. Let's play through it. Here we go. So finally we're going to go up to 120 beats per minute now, which is double our original tempo. So if you struggled with the 16th notes at 60, this is really difficult, but maybe the 8th note version would be comfortable. So that's an interesting point to reach in the video, wherever that is for you, where you've gone, I'm out of steam with 16ths, you can drop to 8th notes. So hopefully that's a really interesting thing for you to play along with. Final track, let's give it a go. finish up this video, I wanted to say that recording these really simple grooves was such a good challenge, you know, because there's all of that complexity that you can use to kind of cover up mistimings, I suppose. But when something is in its most pure, basic form of a groove, there's nothing but your timing, your feel, and the music. And when they work together, it creates something so nice, in my opinion. So let me know in the comments what you thought of these music and groove combinations, because I did a lot of takes to try and record these. It was hard work. I might have been a bit rusty, but anyway. So yeah, if you're interested in learning a few more things from me, if you'd like to do some more extensive learning with Cajon courses, that type of thing, there is a membership that's available on my channel. You might see a join button underneath the video, or I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I had so much fun making this, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all again very soon. So I'll see you later. Bye.